Now I'm going to do 4 cups of whatever side dish.
Okay.
You got baked beans up there.
Wasn't that nice? You got a glimpse of our food.
That leaves inside. I'm going to go get you some ice chips with some ice.
Okay.
Some crackers and pick them up.
We're doing a video on the
The
barbecue.
lady said, "You want me to pay you now?" I was like, "I ain't got no cash box. Just pay me when you come back."
Yeah, I got to run get the chicken. Was getting ready to come up. I want to go ahead and get this down here first.
So they can either have 4 potato salads or 4 baked beans or what?
Dad,
Barbecue sauce, and then some plates and silverware.
I'll show the food. Dad, can you show me the food real quick?